Vanakkam friends, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to discuss about the forecast of Nifty and Bank Nifty in our next video for next week. Okay. Before going into the video, I would like to suggest the newcomers to please subscribe our channel and stay connected in our YouTube channel as well as Telegram channels, so that you will get all the videos whichever we are posting well in advance. So now going into Nifty's analysis for next week, we have opened Nifty daily charts. Along with that, I have added just one moving average, which is 200 moving average. As I said earlier, below 200 moving average, market is weak. Any up move towards 200 moving average will be a sell on rise opportunity. So this maroon line is the 200 moving average. Until we get past 16,936.96, that is the 200 moving average as of now. This will change day by day, either by small points on the upside or on the downside. So accordingly, we need to daily revisit the 200 moving average to see the strongest resistance area. So I have marked few support and resistance areas with the help of charts post the close of Friday. We might have seen in SGX that SGX has closed 100 points on downside Friday night at 11:30 p.m. But what happened is, while we closed at 11:30 p.m., Nasdaq was quoting at its lows, which means 13,224. Somewhere near that 13,220 odd levels, 230, 40 odd levels, Nasdaq was quoting. From there, it has recovered almost 80 points, which means our opening will not be this bad. It will be a little bit better than what we are showing as of now. So on any case, Nifty should not have broken last week Friday's low, last week Thursday's low yesterday, but unfortunately it has broken and sustained below that particular level for more than an hour, and then finally it came out and somehow it managed to close above that 16,203 odd levels. Either this might be a trap, or this could even intensify the selling more. So whatever the situation may be, we will go as per the charts. We will forget about the news which is happening across the world, because those newses can take a halt or take a break anytime soon, but we don't know about the timeline. So we are not supposed to trade based on news. We are supposed to trade based on only technical parameters. And one more thing I would like to say is, usually I used to say people that markets are expected to do the unexpected things. So now everybody are expecting the Nifty to break 16,000 mark and go to 15,500 mark. But we don't know what is the plan which Nifty is having in mind. So based on charts, I have drawn a support level which is nearer to the current close. Friday close is 16,245, and then the immediate support on the downside will be the logical mark or round number mark, say about 16,000. If we are breaking 16,000, the next support lies only at, technically speaking, the next support lies only somewhere near 15,500 odd levels. But in between, we can take a break somewhere near 15,900 odd levels. So if you remember correctly, on Thursday last week, the low of SGX was 16,003, which was not even tested once. So if there is a chance of testing that 16,003, 16,000 odd levels in Nifty spots, it could be a decent buying opportunity. I would not say good buying opportunity. It could be a decent buying opportunity for a small 400 to 500 point bounce back in Nifty, and once again we will be selling. That is a different story, but we can use that temporary raise to create some longs and exit on time. So we need to, and in this kind of market, exiting on time is a very important factor. Like you have experienced yesterday also, we have given a call in Nifty 16,500 to buy at 130 levels. Okay, people who have bought at 130, it went all the way down till 104 levels, and our stop loss is 96, which we have took an additional risk despite Nifty staying below 16,203. It rallied from 104 odd zones to almost 226, but finally it came back and closed near 125 levels. What if people who would have not booked profits on time, somewhere between 185, 190, 200, whatsoever it may be? Okay, so keep this in mind. Always ensure that you are booking your profits on time. If we are missing, then we might get screwed by the markets. Sometimes we may end even with losses. That is what happened during last week expiry as well. 2 to 3 positions which we took have shown us a profits of 1,500 to 2,000 rupees, but we were expecting for more, and finally we end up with losses. So this is the setup as of now, and on the higher side, this 200 moving average will be a very strong resistance as of now to break. Before that, before even dreaming of that 200 SMA, this particular level 16,815, this itself will be a tough level to break as of now. Only if we are breaking 16,815, we may dream about the 200 simple moving average. Okay, now based on this, I will suggest you one trade, provided you people have a discipline to trade only in one lot, because in this kind of situation we are not supposed to take more risk. Trade only in one lot, and if it works, we end up with very good profits, and if it's not working, we end up with marginal losses. Okay, so this is the trade which I am trying to suggest you. 16,200 call. You should not jump in and buy at morning on Monday. The support level which I said is 16,000 mark. So somewhere in between, if you see Nifty in between 16,000 to 16,050 odd levels, take this 16,200 call. Probably if we are getting that particular level on Monday, we might get this somewhere near 140, 160 zones. But if on the other hand, if the level of 16,020 odd levels, maybe if it reaches on Tuesday, means we might get even at 100 to 120 rupees. So make this, fix these levels in mind, and then if at all, if we get that levels on Monday or Tuesday, but don't enter if you see on Tuesday after European opening, which means 130. Before European opening, if we are getting this levels means you can take a position, and I would like to suggest, if you see 50% to 75% profits, you can book and exit. If you are a risk taker and willing to carry the position till election result day, you can hold it, but it would be a gamble. There is no stop loss for it. However, for this position, the safest who are trying to exit with 50 or 75% profits, your stop loss would be 15,900 Nifty spot. If Nifty spot trades below 15,900 for 15 minutes, you are supposed to exit the position irrespective of the losses whatever you are facing. Don't ever try to do averaging at lower levels and end up with additional losses. Try with just one lot and it will be more than enough for you to make money. Okay, I always say, preserving capital is also like earning profits in markets. So I hope this video is clear and I have explained the levels also very clear for you. Don't get excited or trapped on any direction of the markets. If you are a safe player, try to exit with smaller profits intraday itself. Don't ever wait for big targets. And if you are a risk taker and a gambler kind of stuff, you may take a risk. That is up to your mindset about taking the risk. Okay. So now we are done with Nifty analysis. We will see you back again in the Bank Nifty analysis. In between, I would like to say I will add all our Telegram channel links in the description of this video. If you are not part of our Telegram channel yet, please subscribe to our Telegram channel as well. And just revisit our videos of few strategies which we have given on State Bank of India, crude oil, Bajaj Finance. Crude oil strategy is available even in Tamil as well. And during last week also, I have posted one more additional strategy for how to work in Nifty futures for 100 points. So these are strategies which are very simple, and you will have the success of more than 90% in these kind of strategies. I have almost given the crude oil strategy way back before 3 months, I guess, 3 to 4 months, I guess. In between this period, it has given more than 20 opportunities. Out of the 20 opportunities, none of the opportunities have failed. It is 20 out of 20. Not even one single opportunity has failed. Look at the success. You will feel the success only if you seriously follow it. I have one member, whenever if that crude strategy comes, he keeps on updating me, sir, I seriously follow the strategy and I am making money out of the strategy every time. Every time. He has not even said me once that he has lost money on that particular strategy. So keep learning things like this, which are very simple to earn in markets. Don't think market is very complicated and you need to have lot of knowledge to earn money in markets. Making money is all about 10% technicals in markets and 90% discipline in markets. Discipline in the sense, I mean patience for taking position at right levels and exiting position at right levels too. Okay. Have a good day. See you all in the next video. Bye for now.